So this is our range hood.
Yeah.
That we're gonna build the vent cover for.
The tracks that they sent in the mail. I think I'm gonna measure this side, cut a 2x3 2 times, and just make a square. Screw the square to the wall, and then insert this and screw this in. I have to take the front of it off when I install. Pretty bold going with blue.
Stupid.
What? Go cut these woods. Hey, welcome to the gym / shop / storage. So I need to make 2 boxes. So I set a stop here, the best way that I can finagle it, and then I can cut 4 at the same.
It's time to retire the shirt, babe.
This shirt? Oh, it's a classic. Alright, let's go take a look at these and see which ones I cut wrong and then recut everything. Alright, let's check this out.
Alright.
Trying to think if I have like a quick corner clamp that isn't extremely complicated to use. It's my new Rockler corner clamp. Best part about this whole thing is like not having any space. Ideally, when you renovate a house, you want to be living in it during, you know.
Yeah, it's been really great not having a kitchen.
You know, just kind of move things to one place and then just put them back in the same place after. It tends to work out pretty good. All right, real test now.
Step 1. Complete.
Complete or step 1 redo? Let's see. Girl, wiggle. I like it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna build the other one, and then I'll have to figure out the height here and put some legs going up. Now, here's the question. I probably want to go all the way up.
Well, it's all going to be the same width from bottom to top.
Same everything. Square. A square with longer sides than the other.
I don't think that's a square.
What do you think? Good height?
I think it's a good height, and then I can picture the shelf right there. I think it's good.
Yeah, so here.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good.
This is the fanciest, like, cheap kitchen.
Alright.
So that one's in there. I'm just gonna do another one up top, like matching exactly. And then once it's screwed to the wall and the ceiling, then this thing is gonna be pretty robust. And then I'll run another piece from there to this one, and then there's your
basically the skeleton of the
skeleton. Some people call it a frame, but skeleton, not like skeleton. So I found the center first with this thing, and then I found the studs. You can see center and studs, that way I know where things are. And then I found the center of this guy. I matched it with that center line, and then I literally put it up there, and I marked where the studs ended up, so I'm not guessing.
Perfect.
And then I pre-drilled 2 holes so that when I'm up there, it makes it a little easier. Low. Medium. High. Whoa, guys. And
So cool. I love it.
just needs to hold the thing now. This
Oh, that's
the
all.
pipe is already coming out of the thing there.
Yep.
I'm just waiting for like a elbow to come in.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't find it at Lowe's, so I bought it on Amazon. But yeah, I just gotta cut a hole in between these two studs here, so there's no issue. I can reach up there, and then 45, 45, and then I have the pipe that meets in the middle. Just don't have the connectors.
It's exciting though.
Or the desire to go back up in the attic. That might be keeping me from doing it more than anything. So we just stay in the wood and kind of leave a rustic industrial look going on here. Show me her face of disgust and disapproval. Hey,
Yeah.
I'm gonna hook up the hood pipe. So, probably just gonna go upstairs and do all this and just show you after.
In the attic.
Yeah, in the attic. But essentially, I figured out where the hood needs to be at. A lot better ways out there, but what I did is I took this piece of wood, I leveled it up, and I made some marks, like on just 4 sides of it, to get a gist. And then this is the size of the pipe coming from the ceiling. So then I just took this guy, put it out there so it includes all the marks. So this guy's gonna go right there.
Nice.
And then the other pipe will go from here to there. And then the magic that happens up there, I'm just gonna keep to myself. Oh man, I gotta make my way through here. Alright, I'm just gonna go do it. Made it to the first hole. I don't know why I'm whispering. Feels like it's a whispering environment. Oh boy. Hey.
Hi. We're trying to figure out how to create this range hood vent cover. Wender's just trying to make my dreams come true.
That's right. We're gonna use 1/2-inch plywood
To enclose this.
to enclose this. And then mud everywhere.
Right, to make it look
So
like
it's, nice mud.
It's a platform.
Not a bit gross mud.
Right.
What Candice wants is the corner to have like a little quarter round and kind of mirror it here. I bought this little trim here. Then when I attach it to this wall, I'll build it up a little bit like this until
it's flush.
it's kind of flush right there. So let's call it that. And then on the outside corner, they're gonna end up like this. And my goal is to put a piece of quarter round in here. All right, let me go science this thing.
All right, go science.
I will. Well, hello there. Alright, so we're plastering this. I mean, I don't have a clue what I'm doing.
No, it looks amazing.
I obviously watched some YouTubes and they bought different products and stuff that I want to spend money on. We found this bucket of
Joint compound?
joint compound lightweight. Was on sale for like $12, like even less. So I bought like a few of these and now I'm just plastering it in here. The corners have this little round. Like they're rounded corners and it's hard to do with the spatula. So I'm just stuffing it in there with my hands, like thick, and then I run the spatula like what I did there and, sand it and stuff later after it dries and do another lighter coat.
Any of the high spots we can kind of sand down and then go over
Just to
again.
get some stuff stuck to the wall at first.
Yeah.
It's like I'm a sculptor.
Yeah.
With David in here.
And then we decided that it'd be best to just kind of do this whole wall in the joint compound. So it looks like it's just part of the wall. And then we're gonna, once it's all done and we like the finish of it, we're gonna paint it the same color as the upper cabinets.
How's the paint?
It's coming.
I am making floating shelves-ish. So I already started, but I found a stud and I bought these big things. So one, I don't know why they put the holes like around the stud. Anyways, so I'm gonna put this in here, recess into the wall. They were 8 inches, I cut them short. But I'm gonna try to get some wood in here. I don't know how I'm gonna fish it in there, but figure it out. And then this is gonna get screwed in here. This one will go in there. And then the shelf, it's just a little baby shelf that's gonna go here. But Candice wants it to step out a little more around the hood. So I want to put a couple brackets and then I'll recess the shelf into it. Is my guitar made?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so this is the shelf. I've got these brackets, painted them white to try to make them disappear, routed them in here as well as I could with my $12.99 router. Let's see how she looks. It's good. It's good. So we're gonna have a backsplash here, which is gonna come out a little bit. So my goal here is just get this thing in here for now with the screw down here and the screw down here, which I also have paint. Painted the bottom with what is it? Super high heat paint to hopefully not catch this board on fire when we're cooking. All right, so we'll put this guy in here. Let's see how these brackets look, because the goal was to make it look floating.
You definitely can't see them from the front. See what camera go.
Yeah, let's see her.
Yeah, they're disappearing pretty good in there.
So the edges, you know, well, this one's pretty tight in there. This one, because it's longer, it's got a little flappage to it, and the wall like kind of goes in here. So I drilled a hole and I'm gonna put a thinner screw in there just to like suck this in. But before I do, I'm gonna put a level like from there to there. Mm-hmm. Which simply got a new level, because the other ones were like super cheap plastic ones, and now I'm gonna see with the real level if it was level before using the trash ones. Yeah, so you probably shouldn't hit your 2x4 when your level's against it. Mess up your level. Mess up your level. All right, look at that.
I mean,
this is a good level right here. That's how I test my levels, is I put them against something I made. So yeah, so I'm gonna put a screw in this one just to hold it from doing up and downsies. Oh yeah, look at that. Mm-hmm. Flaps.
All right, that's it. Wow, good job. So we really love how this range hood came out. It's sleek and modern, but the rounded edges and the texture of the plaster really soften it up and balance it out. And so that's exactly what we were going for, and we couldn't be happier with it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can keep bringing you content like this.